won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Welcome back, you guys, to a quick self-care routine. Yes, ma'am, I am about to get ready. I got this rayon net. I actually got it from Sally's. I've been on a lookout for these in like different colors, so I got this one from Sally's in black. So I'm gonna just put that on and see what it do, how it fit. I'm gonna roll it up to make it like fit, have it more fitted. I actually seen fitted ones that's like on Etsy and Temu. I never ordered anything from Temu, so that's what it looked like, rolled up, looking like The Professional. Y'all remember that movie? That movie was kind of weird to me. That man was running around with a plant and a little girl, and he was just, killing and protecting. It was crazy when a whole family got killed. But I'm just getting ready for the shower, folding up my towel, putting it on the thing, you guys. And I'm about to get undressed and get in this shower. Light me a candle. I'm almost out of this candle, so I'm really using up what I have before I go buy something new. So I'm going to use my African net sponge. It's been a while. I know to use it like at least twice a week. Don't overdo it, or my skin will not love me. I actually messed up my nipples using this thing. So yes, I definitely only could use it like twice a week because my skin is so sensitive. So I'm going to go in and wet my legs up thoroughly with nice hot water, you guys. When I'm doing this, I use the faucet part, and I'm going to use the Salter. This is the Santal Bloom, you guys. This one is a really good scent that I like, and it's light, fruity, smells good, and it's softening and brightening to the skin. So if you want a brightening body wash, this one, the Santal Bloom, is really good, you guys. So I'm gonna just go in. I really need to exfoliate, so that's why I'm using the African net sponge, because it really works and does the job. And I'm going to just go in. It feels so good with this body wash paired with it, you guys. I'm loving it. So I'm just getting it in. Y'all see how sudsed up the body wash does. So I'm loving it. And I'm loving the scent of this. So yes.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City,
Did I see?
no, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Okay.
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. That makes had a limit.
I'll be washing my face in the shower using a CeraVe Essay Cleanser Bar for rough, bumpy skin. This has been keeping the texture down on my face. I'm pretty sure you could use it on your body as well. This has salicylic acid in it. It's really soft on my skin. It has 3 essential ceramides and jojoba beads. It really feels good. I use this mainly in the daytime, but I could use it at nighttime as well, depending on what my skin is doing and how it's reacting. So yes, you guys, if you have textured skin, this one is great at restoring the skin barrier as well, and just suitable for rough, bumpy skin if you're having like any texture issues like I was. And I've been using this for literally a week, and my skin has tremendously went down from any type of little texture bumps. So I just know I gotta keep that salicylic acid in the routine, so I'm just rinsing it off. I do have the shower filter in the shower, so I don't mind washing my face in the shower, like when I'm taking a shower as well, just because I have a good shower filter that really eliminates the hard water buildup in this California state.
In the past, I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
I'm going in with my Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Face Mask with the Rose Clay. This is a good face mask to help, remove texture and just pulling out any impurities or toxins in the skin. It's exfoliating as well. And you guys, this lotion, I just got it from Ulta. I'm bougie when it comes to lotion for my body, you guys. This brand Saban, you guys, they had several ones, but I got the patchouli lavender vanilla. When I tell you, this feels so good on the skin, super slip, so it's easy to apply after the shower, which I love about it. The fragrance is out of this world. It has 7 natural oils in this, and it's just really a game changer. I love it, and I just love the bottle. It's glass, got the pump, and just how easy it is to distribute all across the body. This is like a handmade product. Saban, I just love your body lotion. Something that I truly appreciate for after showers, that's not all hard to rub into the skin. This pairs well with my body oil that I use. I didn't use it tonight because I wanted to see what this lotion was about, and I'm really happy that I made this purchase. It's just a small bottle, I paid like $35 for this, but it's definitely worth it. It's like a luxury body lotion. So yes, it goes on quick, smooth, and it smells amazing.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
I know I shouldn't be over exfoliating my skin, but I needed it this time around. I'm just using that Paula's Choice exfoliating serum. I just put a little bit on there on my little cotton pad. These are reusable, you guys. First time using it, so we're gonna see how they wash up and stuff. They come in a little bag that you put them in, and you can wash them inside this bag. So we're gonna see about that. It's like a bamboo, and this new snail nourishing essence water. It's like a water, but not too runny. So I had got this. I thought it was really interesting because I never use anything snail, and this reduces wrinkle. This is basically a revitalizing, anti-aging snail type essence. It feels really good on my skin. Thumbs up. It feels great on my skin. I'll definitely recommend this. I actually found it at like TJ Maxx. So this is the Dewy Tree Ultra Nourishing Snail. If you can find it, do the reviews. I'm just going to brush my teeth, use my neem, make your teeth gleam toothpaste. This is like an all-natural toothpaste, no fluoride, has cinnamon in it. But yes, you guys gotta brush your teeth day and night. I'm literally getting used to doing it day and night because sometimes I forget, and I'm going to use my cucumber mint crystals deodorant for my nighttime. These are my two ones. I have a sea salt sage and a cucumber mint, so I'm going to use the cucumber mint for my nighttime. We're going to see how they go. I got these because they was actually 20% off at my health food store until the 16th. They having a 20% off sale on all vitamins and skincare, so I was like, bet, let me get that. They had like one more that I don't have in my collection, so I literally have all the crystal scents. So I'm in my night using the Pharmacy lip smoothie, you guys. It reminds me of a lip stuff that I used to get from the beauty supply store. Really light apple scent. Feels good. I love the sheen that it gives on my lips, the softness, and it really has been keeping my lips smooth and everything like that. So I really appreciate that. I'm into good lip products that's going to keep my lips from not being dry. This cool, it's been cool out Cali, so you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this evening, quick evening skincare routine. I'm just really loving to take care of myself, and I'm about to go to bed. I'll talk to you guys on another one. Peace.